Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial. I am going to show how you can convert a circle, any project, a circular project, into a square. These are usually the granny squares I'm making, and this is a daisy design. I have made these videos and I will put a link here so that you can make the daisies beforehand. Then we continue with our squares. I have used soft acrylic yarn and a size 3 crochet hook to make these daisies, and I will continue with the same yarn and same crochet hook size to make the squares. And the stitches used in this project will be double crochets and triple crochets. Let's start. So this is the motif, the daisy motif, and now we're going to complete the squares by adding clusters of double crochets and triple crochets. Joining the yarn in any of the space on the daisy crochet motif. So we begin with a triple crochet. For that we are making its first chain, which is chain 4, and now we're going to make the second triple crochet. And the third triple crochet, all in the same chain space. Chain 1, and we continue with our clusters of crochets. Next we're going to make a double crochet, a set of 3 double crochets in that chain space, and then again in the end we chain 1. We are actually shaping our circle into a square, so again 3 double crochets in the next chain space and then chain 1. Next we're going to make our corner, and the corners are with triple crochets, so it's actually 3 triple crochets, chain 3 and 3 triple crochets in the same chain space. So our corner is done. We continue with 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1 until we reach the next corner. So again we are in the corner, and remember in the corners we are making 3 triple crochets, chain 3 and 3 triple crochets all in the same space. chain 1, and then we continue with our next cluster of double crochets, that is 3 double crochet in the next chain space and chain 1, and 3 double crochets in the next chain space and chain 1. So we are now in the last corner, and remember we made 3 triple crochets. The first was chain 4 and then 2 triple crochets. We made half of our corner in our first step. Now we're just going to make 3 triple crochets, chain 3, and then join that chain 3 with the first stitch, that is chain 4 of the triple crochets. Just join them with slip stitch. That's how we convert a circle into a square. Now let's continue with the next row so that it's a complete granny square. Since we need to start working in the chain space, so we have to move the stitches to that chain space by slip stitch. Once we are in that chain space, we begin our next row, which is actually 3 crochets, double crochets. So we chain 3, which is our first double crochet, and make 2 more double crochets in the chain space, and then chain 1. In this row we are going to continue doing all double crochets, no triple crochet, and once in the corner we will do 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, all in the same space. Remember, you are going to chain 1 after every 3 double crochets you're making. So in the corner we do 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, all in the same space. Once the corner is done, then we move along after chain 1, 3 double crochets all in the next chain space. Then again chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next chain space until we reach the corner. So we are in the last corner now. So 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets all in the same corner, and then chain 1, and that chain 1 is going to join with a slip stitch. Let me show you a seamless way of joining. Instead of slip stitch, we are going to join in a way that it's very neat looking. Use a needle to thread the yarn. Insert in the both loops of the last stitch. And insert it in the outer loop. And you have a very neat joining. You can't even tell where it was joined. I'm going to secure the loose threads and our square is complete. I'm just cutting down the extra threads and making them shorter, and then I will burn them so that I have a very neat and clean look in the back of my projects. I hope you liked this video, and I'm sure now you can convert any of your circular motifs into a square motif. Until next time, thank you.